Yo, what's good? This is our motto for today. Whoa, this looks cool. But anyways, this is something that needs to be taken into account when putting all of our building blocks together. Okay, this is honestly really important. Okay, so bitches be looking horrible, ogre, and captions be like, I did that. Well, bitch, don't do it again. And I think that can apply to trading in that unprofitable ass traders be like, I did that, I full ported. Well, unprofitable ass trader, don't do it again. Life lessons. It doesn't want to delete. Life lessons with TJR. Anyways. God, man. Dude, I was supposed to go to the gym. If you see me... Hold on. Do we have to do this again? Hold on. Don't make me rage. Do we have to do this again? Oh, my God. So today we're going to be putting all the pieces together once again. We're going to be going over liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, and then we'll also be going over liquidity sweep. Oh, damn it. We'll also be going over liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap or order block, and then equilibrium. Some of you guys just need to get a little up close and personal. How do I look? Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10. Rate me on a scale, 1 being ugliest person you've ever seen, 10 being Boogie. Oh, I say his name and he gets excited. I didn't pipe him today, and he got really upset about that. Look at him. He wants it. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we know you want it, Boogie. We know you want it. Don't give me the puppy eyes. How bad do you want it, Boogie? Sit. Good boy, Boogie. Anyways, I was supposed to go to the gym today, bruh. And my gym has like stupid hours, bro. Like it opens at like 5 a.m. and then closes again at 11 and then reopens at 3. Like, who designed that shit, bruh? Anyways, let's get started. Let's get down to business to defeat the Alright, sorry. We'll focus, I know. You know what's funny, dude? I bet there's so many old people that are like, damn, I can't wait to get started on my day trading journey. Let's see who the most popular, who the creator is. Or like, you know, like who I should watch to learn. And they find my content and it's just the most horrific thing they've ever seen in their life. That is my goal. My goal is for like old people to come on and see my channel and for them to be like, ain't no way this kid is actually rich. and then I'm like, boy, wait, boy, boy, you're still working a 9 to 5, boy, still unprofitable, boy. All right. Okay, sorry, I'm wired off this bro. Dude, everyone go to TikTok right now and at Echovision, bruh. At Echovision right now. First of all, tell them affiliate code, need it. Second of all, tell them I'm bugging out off of their 2-scoop pre-workout while making a video, and they should go watch it. It's free sponsor, by the way. Everyone go try and use code TJR at echovision.com, and it won't work. And then send a screenshot of with TJR like in the code thing and be like, what the fuck? Why isn't this a code? Please, like if I can get like hella people to do that, that would be, dude, that would make my year. That would make my day. That would be hilarious. Please do that. And while we're actually, no, I'm not gonna say that. That would be testing the limit. I was gonna ask you guys to do something for me for this girl. Not anymore. Okay, been there, done that. Okay, let's focus now. It's been 6 minutes of just talking. Okay, so today we're going over liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and then, liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, and then also liquidity sweep, break of structure, order block, or fair value gap plus equilibrium. So to start off, let's just get right into it, okay? So what did we have today on the S&P? I didn't trade today because Powell was speaking. Honestly, gave a decent setup, okay? We took out these lows. We broke structure to the upside on the 15-minute. What did we make? Okay, an imbalance right here. Okay, right? Imbalance right here. We get liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, entry, right? This didn't give us an order block entry. Right? This was not an order block entry. This was a fair value gap entry, right? Where was our imbalance? It was right here. We also had an imbalance from here up to here. But right, what do you usually do? You scale down to a lower time frame to find confirmation. Okay, so yeah, maybe you got your confirmation off of this break of structure. Cool. You put your stop loss, like, I don't know, under this low or under these lows. We haven't covered that yet. But anyways, what does price do after that? Capitulates, okay? We're just going to do same thing that we did yesterday, just finding a bunch of examples of this happening, okay? What do we have here? Liquidity sweep. Oh, damn, this does not break structure until later. Let's get down to business to defeat the Huns. What do we have here? Okay, liquidity taken out. Then what? Break of structure to the upside. We have an imbalance from this candle to here. What does price do? Come down. Also sweeps 15-minute liquidity here. Boom. Price comes in, fills it, rallies, targeting previous areas of liquidity here, 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 and all the way up here, baby. Let's scale back to a higher time frame. Again, right? This really isn't going to be teaching you anything else that you don't already know besides just like kind of putting it together, okay? We see, and that's why it's called putting the pieces together. Okay, liquidity sweep. This is kind of already with the trend anyway. So liquidity sweep, where's our imbalance? Right here, right? We see price come up, fill the imbalance, continue lower. This is a good example. I don't even want to scale back on the higher time frame because you can literally just see it, right? This is a high. We see break of structure to the upside. Where's the imbalance? Here down to here. And also from here to here, right? We see price fill in. This one goes all the way past it. Perfect. Get rid of it. Dog. Dog. Anyways, price comes in here, fills this imbalance. What are we waiting for? You know, some sort of reaction on the lower time frame. I guess you could scale down for this. Cool, you get a break of structure on the 15-minute right here. Okay, boom, break of structure on the 15-minute to the upside. Okay, we get a closure above. Execute. What does price do? Targets previous areas of previous draws on liquidity. Here, here, here. And then high time frame, probably like highs all the way over there. Look, this should be like, this shit should be obvious to you guys now, right? What is this? We can just spot it obviously. This is probably on like an hourly time frame, right? We see a break of structure. We see a massive move down, right? This whole thing in itself is just an imbalance. Price comes in, fills it. Here, we can scale onto the hourly and see what it actually was. Oh, I almost got that like on the dot. Here to here, price fills the imbalance completely, doesn't go into this fair value gap, but fills this imbalance completely. Okay, where does it target? Previous draws on liquidity, right? We have an order cock right here, liquidity down here. Price draws towards it. What's your homework going to be today? Take a wild guess, bruh. Take a wild guess. All right, you're going to be finding 10 examples of liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, and then see the reaction based off of it. Okay, you're gonna find 10 examples of that, and then you're also gonna find 10 examples of what we're about to go over next. Okay, here we don't necessarily see we don't necessarily see liquidity get swept, but we see a break of structure to the upside. We see this imbalance. Boom, price comes down, fills, rallies. Oh, this one's perfect. Look. This is liquidity sweep, rally. Okay, we get the break of structure right here. Where's the imbalance? Right here. What does price do? Come in, fill, rally. Imbalance right here. This wasn't necessarily a liquidity sweep, but what was it doing, right? This move down was a liquidity sweep. What is this considered? Order block. Price comes into the order block, pushes higher, breaks structure back to the upside. What does it make? Imbalance. Price comes in, fills, rallies. Baby food. Okay. Again, right here. We sweep this low, break structure to the upside. We have an imbalance right here. Boom. Price comes down, fills it, rallies. Break structure again. Targets previous areas of liquidity. Here. Fills this imbalance here. Price rallies all the way up. Pretty basic stuff. Right, what's this? We get a break of structure to the upside. Massive imbalance within these candles. What do we see price come down into? Boom, fills the imbalance, rallies higher. What do we see when, or I guess not. It pushed a little bit higher, but still. Fills here, rallies. We see this imbalance get filled. Slight reaction off that comes into, what's this? Order block. Reaction, right? You cannot tell me that these strategies and these building blocks do not work, right? And that's why I'm having you give and find 10 examples of this so you can prove to yourself and give yourself enough confidence over and over again, time in and time out within these markets to see these things working literally every single day. You see an imbalance, gets filled, going to be some sort of reaction, right? With confirmation, right? With break of structure. Okay, so with that being said, we covered all that, okay? And now how can we introduce equilibrium into it? Okay, so it's literally the same thing, right? We're looking for the exact same thing. Liquidity sweep, break of structure, okay? For value gap, order block, but we're just drawing equilibrium onto it, right? This shouldn't be too difficult for you guys. For this example, right? We'll do like 3 examples of this, and then I'll let you guys go off and do your homework because it's way easier, right? Like you guys already know these concepts, right? So it's much easier for me to just be like, look, bro, stop watching this damn video and go chart it out, you know? So we'll make the equilibrium part quick. Okay, liquidity sweep, break of structure, fair value gap. Right when you start seeing a retracement candle, right when you see a down candle, I'm instantly looking for equilibrium. Where's our equilibrium? Matching up perfectly with our fair value gap. Literally matches up perfectly with it. That's a high confluence trade. High confluence trade. I don't know why my delete button isn't working. High confluence trade. Enter here. Boom. Look at my neck. Bling blow. Okay. Let's find another example. Just go hourly. Let's get down to business. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Oh, this one's relatively easy. Okay. Right, we get, wait, this one wasn't a liquidity sweep, break of structure. I'll do a different example. Here we go. Okay, ready? Liquidity sweep, break of structure, imbalance, okay? Look at that, bro. On the money, bro. Look at this. We're measuring from the low up until here, right? We start seeing retracement, right? This is on the daily time frame, right? We see confirmation that it's going to continue to the upside. We see a sweep of liquidity down here. We see price rally, okay? We close above here. We get more confirmation to the upside. Then we see one bearish daily candle, okay? Boom, we instantly draw this out. This is our liquidity sweep. We have the break of structure. We have the imbalance. Now this is our equilibrium. Let's do this on like GU. Let's see here. Let's find a good example of this, and then I'll let you guys go off on your own to start working this out. And I think, again, like I said last video, like I said yesterday, I want to start, we're going to start, like, obviously this is another trading video. We're going to start, like, just kind of moshing everything together, and whatever comes to my head, we're going to start doing, because I'm, like, I think after this, we're going to talk about how to find daily bias, and then after that, we're going to talk about how to set take profits, and then after that, we're going to talk about how to set stop losses, and then from there, we'll probably do another check-in, and then I'll get more feedback from you guys to see what more or what less you guys want to see or to learn from. Where was that one? We'll just find random ones. Let's see. All this was kind of garbage. All this was pretty trash. Show me good price action. That's ugly. This is like decent enough, I guess. Okay, so we can tell by this move, this is like a high time frame liquidity sweep. We get a break of structure on this candle, okay? Right, and remember, equilibrium and fair value gaps are kind of like our last chance entries. Okay, so boom, we get a break of structure to this. Loud ass thunder and lightning, bruh. Anyways, we get a break of structure. Literally, it was like super sunny out 2 seconds ago. I wonder what happened. Anyways, price break structure to the upside. Okay, there's no fair value gap. Yeah, maybe you could consider this an order block entry, but that's not what we're talking about. Maybe you missed that. Maybe you're taking a pee. We find a fair value gap here, right? What do we measure it from? Swing high. or sorry, swing low to the swing high. Oh, bruh. Bro. Swing high to the swing low. Boom. Perfect. Right? This is right on the fair value gap. What can you do? You can scale down into the lower time frame. Where's this thing at, bro? Where are you? Where are you? Damn, it doesn't even go back that far. Okay, well, you get the point, okay? We get, right, and we need you guys to find 10 examples of this as well, okay? Liquidity sweep, break of structure, either order block entry, whatever, okay? Oh, I guess we could have used this for this example, right? We get a sweep of liquidity, break of structure to the upside. This is that sweep, okay? Boom, boom, boom. Pretty in line with the order block. We see the order block get filled. We get another break of structure. Where does price target? Boom, 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 boom. Okay? I just want you guys to start getting a feel, again, like we said in the last video, I want you guys to start having that little aimbot, the aimbot eyes, where you guys can like see it and just be like, boom, it's here, 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 here. You just start seeing it. And eventually you'll get to the point where it's like, okay, cool, like, we break structure to the upside. We have an imbalance within here, okay? We start seeing retracements, okay? Boom, boom, right? Fills equilibrium, touches into the fair value gap, probably get a break of structure somewhere within here on a lower time frame, price rips, right? I want you guys to build up the confidence that these things work, because they really do, right? What's this? Liquidity sweep, break of structure, okay? We have, oops, not even a fair value gap. We do have liquidity sweep, break of structure. This whole thing's an order block. And how can you get even more precise since we're pretty much already in the order block? Equilibrium. Look at that. Price comes in, literally wicks into equilibrium. I swear to God, bro. Wicks into equilibrium. Wicks into the 5-minute order block. 5-minute fair value gap. Boom. Confluent. 1 confluence. 2 confluence. 3 confluence. 4 confluence. Break of structures of confluence. 7 fucking confluences. Build up the confidence to take the trade. Like, when these opportunities present themselves, you shouldn't be afraid to spam that buy button. You shouldn't be afraid to spam that sell button, right? Because you have experience of doing this now. Okay? So with that being said, I appreciate you boys. Hopefully you learned something. I'm excited to get into daily buys because I think that's going to help a lot with this, because yeah, maybe you might see liquidity sweep, break of structure, all that stuff on lower time frame, but if it's not in line with our daily bias, if it's not in line with where we think market's going to go long term, odds are that run will be relatively short-lived. Yeah, you may see liquidity sweep, break of structure, and it'll give a small move, but that move might not hit your first take profit because it's not in line with your daily buy. So that being said, I'm actually going to go record that video right now. I'll catch you boys. Peace.